One of the main purpose of human existence is to achieve our goals in our lives. It can be spiritual goals, it can be professional goals like clearing this UPSC CSC examination and becoming the officer that you want to be. Choosing a goal is very easy. That's what I feel. But to achieve success in this goal is not so much. When you can't seem to achieve your goal, you tend to think, maybe I don't have the talent, or maybe the motivation in me is very less. Now that's the time that you spend trying to get that external motivation from various videos, from various sources that are available to you. But the reality is this. As per psychology, why do we feel aversion to our own goals? Why do we feel that we are deviating from our own goals? There are some reasons. Understand these reasons. The first one is boredom. Whatever goal we have chosen in the initial period, it might appeal to us, it might be entertaining to us, but over the time period, if you're unable to maintain that interest in your own goal, you will feel irritated with the goal that you have chosen. It happens to most of the UPSC aspirants in this preparation journey. The second reason happens to be frustration. Now, whatever goals we have chosen, it might not give us the dividends today or tomorrow. It might take its own time. You should have the ability to overcome this irritation, which might be because of slow progress or no progress at all in certain parts of your preparation. The third reason is unpleasant feeling. Whenever you take up a mock test, you might be not scoring as much as you should. It will be creating sadness in you. It will be creating anger in you. When you tend to get under the grip of this unpleasant feelings way too much, you tend to divert yourself from the goals that you have chosen. Remember, a smooth ocean never made a great sailor. Apart from this, lack of structure. Now, whatever goal you have chosen, it demands a certain structure, it demands a certain consistency. But if your structure is characterized by chaos, nothing much is going to come out of it. Distant future mentality. Human beings are built in such a way that we chase short-term pleasure over long-term success. Now, whatever goals you have chosen, if it is in the long term and you are unable to delay your gratification, you will divert yourself from the goal as easily as some UPSC aspirants are doing by watching IPL matches more than what they are supposed to in the given time period. The last one. Any goal that you choose, you should be having the ability to find meaning in that goal day in and day out. If there comes a time when you can't find that meaning in the goal that you have chosen, why am I pursuing this examination? Why do I want to be an officer, an IAS or an IPS officer? If you can't find that meaning, then you're going to lose. Then you're going to get diverted from the goal that you have chosen. Now, why am I making this video? Very simple. UPSC, in one of its PYQs, it had given a very beautiful topic. The best time to repair the roof is when the sun is still shining. As of now, sun is still shining in your life. Understand yourself very well. Once you understand yourself and find the reason why you're deviating from the goal that you've chosen in your life, it can be professional, spiritual, or emotional goals, whatever it might be. Once you have figured out what is the reason why you're deviating, it becomes that much more easier to do course correction. Psychologists have also suggested a course correction like that. For example, they have suggested something called as aversion journaling. Journaling, you know, it is nothing but documenting your ideas in a small book. Let us say I have a goal. I feel as if I'm deviating from my goal. What will I do? In that journal, I will write, why am I deviating? What emotions are making me to deviate? I will identify the reasons. Once I start doing journaling of this particular sort, it helps me to come back to my goals as soon as possible. It helps me to do course correction and proceed in the right direction to get success. There are many personalities who did some sort of aversion journaling in their life. The major example being Marcus Aurelius. When you read his meditation, he talks about the various reasons why he was feeling lazy with respect to a certain goal. And he talks about how he overcame that as well. This really could help you not only while writing some content for essay or some ethics answer, but also in your life. Remember, talent in itself is not the primary criteria that determines your success. It's about understanding your emotional makeup and how your cognitive abilities work. If you do that, if you get this self-realization, if you discover yourself in this process, everything else becomes that much more easier. All the very best. Thank you.